Time for some Thursday birthdays in the 4 states. We're going to begin in Quapaw with champ Ryan Scott celebrating the big number 1.
All right, and then the second one on our list, we got Barrett Brannon turning 7 strong this year in Columbus.
And we've got Audrey Combs also in Columbus celebrating a birthday today. And there she is pictured with her mom. Happy birthday, Audrey.
And the party must be in the bus because we're going to stick with Columbus for a birthday celebration with Lindsay Morris.
And over in Carthage, we've got Karen Barbosa celebrating a birthday with happy birthday wishes coming from Marcia, Jane, and Evelyn.
And Beverly Murdoch. And guess where, Chris?
The bus.
The bus. Happy birthday, Beverly.
All right, it's a pretty short list, so we still love celebrating with you, but we want that list to be about 3-4 times as long. I know our production folks don't, but we want that list to be really long, and we want to tell you how you can make it longer and help celebrate with us, and Tanya knows how, don't you, Tanya?
That's right. All you have to do is send all your information to one simple email, and don't forget to include those pictures. We love to share those. And that email is birthdays@koamnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website checking out all the awesome features it has, make sure you check out one of the most awesome features it has. That's the KOAM Birthday Club. You get great deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So just head over to koamnewsnow.com and sign up for that birthday club today.